Hey, what's up guys? This is Alex here with Kendon. We are dropping off this awesome combo trailer to a customer here. He's local in the area, so we figured we'd bring it to him as a little surprise, but I'm just gonna show you real quick. Now this is a combo trailer. This is one of our larger trailers. This is one of our awesome stand-up trailers. You can see when it's stood up, easy to move around, easy to go back and forth. Remember, I'm just one person. And then what we're gonna do is show you how easy it is to hook this thing up onto your truck. What I like to do is try to get things lined up nice and easy first. Now what we're gonna do, everything's out of the way, and bring her on down. I'm gonna line her up. There it goes. Lock it in. Safety first. Okay, now for the lights. Make sure that's in all the way. Cool. And then what I always like to do, safety first, turn your car on, we'll check the brakes, just make sure everything shows.